Hi everyone, Careless Entry. A little while back I got this YALE Padlock, new old stock. Got off eBay, Fleabay, and this is the P56 63mm shackle hardened steel padlock. It is a chunky padlock. It weighs a lot. And I got the original box, which is really cool because I like having my locks in the original packaging. So I'm a bit of a collector as well, so I believe these have the same core, similar core keyway to like the American Paclocks that I did a comparison on not long ago, and yes they are. So cool, which will be the same as these little YALEs here. So a bit of a size comparison. That's a 40mm, that's a 63mm, that's aluminium, this is steel. But anyway, enough silliness. Oh wow, that's nice. That's a powerful snap, like. So it's got a quite thick shackle on there. Just give you a size comparison to a 334B45 Lockwood, and yes, it's quite a thick YALE, biggest YALE that I've got, and it's not irritating, and does appear to have a dead core right up until this little point there, and then it just goes junk. So it's pretty much got a dead core, and then the shackle springs open. So I believe it's got a dead core but a sprung shackle. Alright, let's give it a pick. So, and already I can see some of a serrated keep-in maybe, or yeah, two serrations. Yep, definitely, just like the American. So in my comparison series, I use this because they need manual counter rotation. Some of them dead cores, some weren't, but I love this tensioner. And B-shoe, as I was the lockout buster. B-shoe. Okay. Let's zoom in and give it a pick. I mean, this thing's so heavy, it just wants to topple over my Vice. I will put specs in the description, as I always do, of all the locks that I pick. So yeah, a little bit of slop in there, so you can see there's some spoolies going on there, maybe some serrateds, and let's give it a pick. See. Right, so right angle. Yeah, okay, we'll go from that angle. Work off this little angle here. So okay, one is binding heavily. I believe I just set in. Oh, whoa, straight into a false set. You can see that? Yeah, straight into a false set. Oops, so maybe one's a standard and the rest are spools and other things like that. So one, okay, two. Oh god, these pins are so small, it's hard to reach each one. Okay, I've got another binder here, it's either 2 or 3, I don't know why, can't figure out which one it is, but it's one of them. Let's give it a manual counter rotation, because it is a dead core. And almost had that set. Slipped off the pen a little bit. Okay, that's set now, I believe. That's one. Okay, there's two. Okay, doesn't matter. Another binder here. Oh, okay. sure if I set that or overset it, but okay, I'm going down the back now because I'm a bit lost in there. Okay, so there's 6. Yeah, so these are 6 pinners. I should have mentioned that earlier. There's 6 there. Oh, okay, there's a manual and click them pretty quickly. So 6. Is that 6? I mean 5 then. I might have slipped and got 5 by mistake. It just feels like I'm oversetting 6. And it has dropped back down. It did feel like 6, but no movement on the core. Let's try 5. I overset something, so I'm gonna restart that at 6 minutes. I do apologize. I might go from the back actually. Getting confused in my pins here. Really small pins. I'm not used to that. Excuses. Alright, so we've got 6. Binding very heavily. Oh, okay. Bit over on the core. 5, 4. I don't think that was right. I think I skipped some pins there. Yeah, I'll set something which I thought was 6, but it might have been 5. Okay, no. There's 4. Oop. Oh, got some nice movement there. 1 is binding. Oh, 2. Nice false set again. Which means I'm close. So 1. 2's dropped back down again. Great. 2. 2 sorted out. I believe I set 2, but 1 something dropped. 2 is set. Oh, just touched 3. Back in that false set. 4's down the bottom. Still in that false set. Okay, there's 5. Okay, just felt 5. Oh, nice set. Still in the false set. Nice. Hopefully pin 6 is the last pin to set. Please, please, please. Oh, nice. On ya. Oh, I love that snap too. That was nice. That was violent. I love this lock. Alright, I'm going to do a very quick gutting because it took me a while to pick that actually. So, I'll use one of these little guys. And I need a screwdriver. Okay, a little bit tight there, but that's what we got there. Bottom pin does not want to come out. I don't know if I have to lock it back up or... It doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Just need a bit of persuasion. That's chunky. That's a chunky bottom bit of retainer plate, bolt and head. Quite chunky, but then you've got this little core. Look how small it looks. Little kick compared to that lock. That's funny. I know a lot of the Americans have the same sort of deal, and this is not a crimped core. This is a it's got a C-clip on the back, so I'm just going to see a little bit to show you guys. Get the gut wrench, and it is locked up. C-clip, key. Get this stuff out of the way. It's bothering me. I've got OCD, which is a curse, but it's got its perks too. Sharon. It's got a bit of a lip on the end of the core, so same fire as before for the others. Let's see what's inside this. So it's fully populated at 6, as you can see. That 4, 6 there. Oh, I do have serrated key pins. Huh. Slightly American. Everything needed to be picked. As you can see there. Let's dump these key pins out and little 2.4s. Oh, no, leave them on the net, mate. 2's got no serrations. 3, 4's got no serrations either. Little short key pins. 5's got serrations and 6 has got serrations. Nothing special about the core, pretty much like the other ones, like the Paclock or the American, or the a little bit different than the Master, different keyway of course. Okay, let's get the drivers out because I'm making a long video, which I didn't think I would be, but it's a bit of a hard pick actually, a bit of a tricky pick. It's just like picking an American really. So yeah, standard in 1 like I thought, because when I hit 1 it just gave me false set. Straight up. Spool. Spool. Unlike the Americans, got no serrated spools so far. And no serrateds. They did sort of feel like all spools too. 6 is a spool. Copper springs. Spool on 5. And guess what? Spool on 4. So, dump these out. Well, I might be doing this one in my comparison series. I'm not too sure. We've pretty much covered these cores. I'm just going to do one with the 40mm series. I'll just show you the internals quickly. So it's sort of a mixture between the Paclock and the Americans. Get focus. So you got the serrated key pins on the bottom. Hold on, let me get better focus. If I can. Oh, what's going on there? Hopefully you guys can see the yeah, it's got serrateds on the key pins, but then it's just got 5 spools which are not serrated. Does not have serrated spools. It's just got the standard run-of-the-mill spools. All springs are the same, and it is keyed to 6. I might take apart the rest of this quickly, just if anyone's interested. So I need my Allen keys. The keys that I've got from Allen. I guess that's a 2.5 like the Paclock. Yeah, it is. So let's let's totally dismantle this now. In all its glory. So to get the actuator out, just usually you can lock it and pull it and just give it a tap and it will come out. Which it is, slowly. There we go. Oh, a lot of grease in there, yep. Yep. Actuator there, the spring, and shackle spring. Oh, that's a beefy shackle spring, that one. That's a beefy. Hold on, let's get back in there, sure. And the ball bearings, I can't get the ball bearings out. I want to get the ball bearings out. Maybe the tweezers. Oh, yep. They're the ball bearings. So very big. Like we know, it's 63 millimeters wide, which is gone inches now. 2.5 inches, inch wide or 26 mil thick. Not wide, thick. I mean, and the height is 52.4, which is in inches, just over 2. And the shackle is 433 thousandths. So almost half an inch shackle, which is 11 mil shackle. Wow, that's a big ass shackle. Anyway, I will reassemble this and give a better description in the description, like shackle clearance and all that sort of stuff. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.